Hey guys! So in this video, I'm painting a Roblox avatar known as Stealthism. They requested I paint up a picture of their avatar, so I thought I'd give it a shot. For this one, I did a little bit more of a close-up than the last couple that I've done, trying something a little different. But just like all the others, I have started with the pencil sketch, followed by some inks, and once those are dry, come back over it with some watercolor. So, hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.